And good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Hitchhiking Yeti here, and today I'm at the Disney Animal Kingdom, and we're going to go inside today and we're going to do something a little bit different. Since the wait times are quite long for a lot of the rides and stuff and attractions, we're going to do something a little fun. We're going to go check out some of the exploration trails and view animals that way, because it's free to just walk through. There's no wait times or lines or anything of that nature. So this would be something you and your family could do if the wait times has got you down a little bit bummed. Come with me and let's go see what we can see today. This should be a lot of fun. Look at the monkeys up here. They're not howling this morning, though. Look at him go. Yeah, I can do that. I think that is so awesome. He's actually holding like a stick. He's taking a stick with him. He's gonna go all the way up there to his post. He's almost there. We have a Komodo Dragon, which this is a female according to the cast member, and they grow to be about 8 to 10 feet long. And she's kind of moving behind the rock. I don't think she likes video cameras, huh? So they have a second like observation area here I'm coming to, and we can actually get a better view of the Komodo Dragon. He's like, man, I'm gonna come down here and get a little water, cause it's gonna be hot today. There we go. How cool is that? All right, that's awesome. We got to see it really, really good this time. So the next section here must be some bats. Look at that monster. All right, let's see. See if we can zoom in on that big old bat. The Batman.
Yeah, that wingspan could get anywhere from 4 to 6 feet across.
You see it? Oh yeah, there's one up there. Oh yeah, there's another one sleeping. You see how he keeps his...
And it looks like their cave is still open, so there's probably some more that haven't come out yet. We've got 10 in total.
Oh wow. See him sleeping? Right there.
Oh yeah. That's the one like kind of set on it. And right there is the cave. If you could hear her, she said there some of them has not come out yet, so they got about 10. And this here is a skink.
You might have to crouch down a bit and look up in the trees to see the bats.
And look at that one up there. He's just hanging upside down. So the next area we have here is the tiger forest. You will be very safe. I like that. Wow, look at that door. That looks kind of cool. I love the theming at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I mean, they just spare no expense. So beautiful. And right there is just a tiger. And there's a good shot of the tiger.
Stay there.
That was so awesome. Good times. So back here on the jungle trek, we have a sign, some signage here that says safe water for travelers. Please know it is unwise to drink local water, standing water, water from unidentified sources. Okay? So they got some jars back here. Everything's good. Here's your water fountains.
You tell them once you identify the bird that you're looking at. The app, it tells those bird finders where that bird is.
A lot of birds. Look, cute little. Look at how pretty he is. Check out the neck, the feathers. Wow, that is gorgeous.
No, not until we're through here. There are too many birds.
Hey, little friend. You are awesome looking. Woo. I just got buzzed. That was right out of Top Gun. That was buzzing the tower. Can't believe it. That bird's name must have been Maverick.
And behind them in the bushes, that large bluebird with that comb, he's a pigeon. He's a Victoria Crown pigeon. And hello, we crossed. They're so round.
Yeah, look at that.
They're so round. They are super sweet too. If they get separated and they come back together, they mingle down and they do like little Eskimo. We give them replacement eggs. Either way,
Check it out. Got 2 eggs right there. Woo! All right.
One leg. Those alternate.
Wow.
Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, you'll be okay. Yeah, you're fine. He has his bench, so he's happy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So these guys, he will be related to a peacock, except one of the differences is he grows 2 long tail feathers. He's missing 1 at the moment. But it's primarily his wing feathers that he uses to surround the female with. And so he's on average 6 feet long from beak to tail, and then his wing feathers are 4 to 5 feet long. They are not exactly flight efficient. He can fly up to branches, kind of like a turkey.
Mm-hmm.
They don't get a lot of height, but yeah, he'll scare stuff his way.
Next up, we're going to take a little walk down the Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail.
As you report, you know about cool. Will do.
on up through there.
Yeah, a little bit like this.
So if you're a fan of snakes, we have the Kenyan sand boa. He's kind of right there.
Oh yeah, it's a flat-shelled turtle.
Some naked mole rats.
So they actually have really, really fine hair, so they're not naked. They are not moles, and they're not rats, but they are rodents.
Rodents.
Who named them that when nothing fit?
So you see that one on the left with the big arch on her back? That's actually the queen. So in a group there is, once the queen becomes the queen mole rat, she will actually arch her back. She makes more room to have more babies. And she'll arch her back out and she'll pop one of her vertebrae out of joint. So she can hold more babies.
Oh, wow. That's dedication.
Yeah.
These guys are really, really cool. You know how most rodents live for about 2 to 4 years?
Yeah.
You know how long these live? We don't know.
Really?
There have been rodents that have been naked mole rats that lived into their 50s.
Oh, wow. Next up we have the ball python. You see him back in there. All hidden away. A little bit, not too much. This is a boa constrictor. Hiding up underneath the rock. And there's babies all nestled in there with their mom. That's a lot of fish. So here we got some meerkats. Look at these little guys. They are so cute.
Come on, yes, come on. You see the zebras on the way back? Come on, buddy. You see them on the way back? Yeah.
How precious is that?
Wait, yeah, wait.
Before they get moving, I'm going to show you, see if we get some zebras right over this knoll here off to the right.
I don't know if Timon and Pumbaa would actually be friends in my life.
After the park closes, we have a beer together.
Hey there, little guy. Look at you posing. Look at him. He's like, look at these people over here.
I want a picture.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can see the little homes. You can see the little home. It's like, nice.
Next up, we got some gorillas. Just sitting there hanging out eating. And look, right there's Thumper. Right there's a bunny rabbit. And right there is that's the baby. He's growing up now. We've seen him when he was just a little thing a few years ago. father right there. And this is Kevin.
Any friends just joining us, just so you know there is no line sheet. Kevin, feel free to come on up. We just ask that you do not walk that giant land bridge if you're bird watching.
No. I gave him some chocolate. I'm a.
Chocolate's not good for birds. It's all very diet. Oh, got it. Follow this path. Keep going keep going straight. You'll go over a bridge that says Africa. Get up there. Just keep going straight. You will be right across the line.
So I looked over the railing here and looked down. You can see the anteater taking a little sleep, a little siesta time.
Like cake laying in the sun.
And that will pretty much do it for me today. I had a good time going through the, visiting those exploration trails, looking at all the cool animals. The bird sanctuary area was amazing. Those birds were so close to you, and they would just like buzz right across your head. I named the one, I said that must be Maverick, the way he buzzed my head on several occasions. But yeah, that was really cool. And we got to see Kevin today, which I thought that was pretty neat too. And the gorillas was really neat and lively. And just got to see so much cool stuff. Got really up close to the tiger in that one section, that was really neat. So there's a lot of good stuff to do today without going to the main attraction, all the rides and stuff. So kind of keep that in mind when you're here. Check out those exploration trails. They're really a lot of fun. So that being said, this will conclude my video today. I had a great time making it. I hope you loved it watching it. I hope it helps you out in your next trip to Disney's Animal Kingdom. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like today's content, give it a thumbs up. And put in your comment section down below if you've ever been on these trails before and you've checked them out, and let me know what you thought about it. So, that being said, I'm the Hitchhiking Yeti gang, and I will see you in our next adventure. And now, for one of the most dangerous animals in this video, the Disney squirrel. Wow, look at him go. They are so tame. They're so used to people. Like back home, a squirrel like this would never hang out like this.